Hey, welcome to my channel. So this is another baby shower DIY video. These are Dollar Tree plaques. I'm gonna paint them. I'm doing mine blue because my baby shower theme is blue. You can also do pink, of course, for a girl. I'm gonna use my Cricut machine and just cut out the letters B-A-B-Y and place them on each plaque. You can also use stickers. You don't have to have a Cricut machine. You can just buy stickers, B-A-B-Y. It's pretty simple to do this. It's really easy. It cost me $4 to make this, and I think it'll look cute sitting on the table at the baby shower. Keep watching and I'll show you how it turns out. I'm gonna go in with this Waverly chalk paint and paint my plaques. It's a bluish, kind of a turquoise color. I want to say it's like a turquoise slash gray. I don't know. It's a weird color, but it's really pretty. And here's how my baby blocks turned out on my Dollar Tree plaques. I think they are really cute and they will look nice on the table. That's gonna end my video, and thanks so much for watching.